enough, but I'm going to show you how to do some quick booty workouts. I'm going to start on the knees in doggy. I call this one the bucking kick. Reach up. Then you're going to do reach back. Switch to the other side. And repeat the same step. The next one we're going to do, I'm going to call it the ready to launch, and I'm going to turn around so you can see just how well I'm doing it. I'm going to start over here, to your left, and then to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left, to your right. If you don't have weights at home, that's okay, because they do this also in Pilates, but if you have weights, you can pick up each weight from side to side and drop it just at your feet. Like that. I'm going to call this one the bike kick, and these are all names I made up myself. If you want to give your workouts a name, you totally can. But this one, if you have a chair, you would lean a little bit on the chair and bend your knees, and you would push back. Now this is if you have a workout band, you can put that on, or if you have ankle weights. But you can also do it without. And you can push back. I'm going to do it this way so you can see. And you want to do that other leg. And that's on your imaginary chair doing your bike stand kick.